I was hanging out at this last night, this reggae club. Yo, I found something out, yo. Jamaicans don't know a damn thing about boxing. A fight broke out. Both them motherfuckers put in the broke back and just said, "Ah, yo are You are Trevor, you are with me. All right, hold on. Me I look for Heineken buckle and bash up in blood. Yeah. Hold on, boy. Hold on. You batched him. You come, boy. You come. I'll tell you, boy. I better be careful where I say that joke, too. One time I was at this little club and Jamaican in the audience didn't like me do that shit, boy. He got mad as hell. I didn't even know how mad he was till I'm walking out the door and I see something shiny in someone's hand there. And somebody arguing with the bouncer. And the closer I get, then it's that same Jamaican motherfucker and he with the broke back again like this, right? He with the gun in his hand like, "Yo, bouncer boy. Yo, tell a comedian fuck come out." Me have a joke for tell him blood clot. This one a killer. I was like, I ain't going out that motherfucker. Let me out through the back. He ain't getting my ass. I'm telling you. But I'm Haitian, and my Haitian people in the house. All right, be proud, yo. First freed, be proud, shit. You know what I'm saying? But my Haitian people, I gotta tell you something. In America, your accent is not intimidating to anybody. And if you want to scare somebody in America, do it in Creole, don't do it in English. Because in English, it's a French accent. You ain't gonna scare nobody. No matter how mad you get, you know what I'm saying? Cab drivers, landlords, you motherfucker, okay. You motherfucker, okay. All the time you keep telling me you're gonna pay me my money tomorrow. No. Bullshit. I want my fucking money today, okay? The average nigga look at you like, nigga, get your Pepe La Mule looking ass out of here. The fuck out of here. But see, if you say it in Creole, he don't understand what you saying. That nigga respect. You say that shit in Creole like, "Got that foot in my coat me, oui." But let's what no? Got that foot in my barrel, l'argent, my foot mette au mal le tatou. Who done him? That nigga be like, "Here's your money. I don't know what the fuck you were just talking about. Leave me out that motherfucker." I'm telling you. So what's up, ladies? You got some fine ladies, single ladies out there? Yeah, I'm looking for a lady, you know what I'm saying? Almost got married and shit, but I ain't gonna do that shit again. Fuck that. Now, you know what I don't like about marriage? That engagement part. I mean, the diamond ring shit. No, ladies, don't get me wrong. If I love you, I'll spend thousands on a diamond ring. But if we happen to not get married and break up, please, get the shit back.